So this is a video that's going to show you how to download processing and import it in Eclipse. So the first things you're going to need to do are to make sure that you've downloaded processing. You can do that on the website, and then also make sure that you have downloaded Eclipse, and you can also download it for free on the website and choose. I'd recommend using the IDE for Java developers for the purposes that we've learned in our class. This package or this program will be the best. So finally, once we have these two things downloaded and installed, we're going to want to open Eclipse and create a new project. So you can pause this video now and make sure that you've downloaded both Eclipse and processing. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to open Eclipse, and you'll have your workspace opened, and I'm going to make a new Java project, and this is going to be called test import for me, because I'm just going to show how to import something from here. So I'm going to create a new class called test import, and I already have some code that will just draw a circle on the screen, and now what I need to do is, you can see that I need to import processing into this project, since it does not recognize any of the processing functions like size and background fill, ellipse. So what we're going to want to do is we are going to click on this JRE systems library, and we're going to want to import, and we're going to want to import a file system. So that's under general, and we're going to browse our directory, and we want to take this library folder from the processing application, and I'll show you how to get to this part of the directory. So what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to go to my applications, and then I'm going to find the processing application that you probably have just downloaded. So I go in here, I go into the contents folder, then I'm going to go to Java, Core, and then choose this library. Okay, and once you do that, it will have the directory path here, and you can just take a screenshot of this. On the Mac, it's Shift Command 4, and basically you can type this in directly each time, instead of having to go through your file system explorer. But what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to select the Core.jar file, and I'm going to import it into test import. Okay, and then I can see that there's the Core.jar file right here, and the last thing I need to do is I need to add to build path, and that will basically just compile the jar file. And when I run the test import file, I should see the circle on the screen. So I can see that processing is working how I expected. So again, the steps are to import as a import as a file system, choose the directory for processing's core file, and you only need the core file, so you can just click that and then you finish, and it will import it into this project, and the last thing you need to do is build the path for it, which will compile the jar file. So I think that should cover everything, and you can email me back if there's another problem. But have a good rest of your weekend and enjoy the beginning of your school year. See ya.